As we all know that currently the real estate market is going under the big challenges, but for a training, for a professional training, any time is always good. And I still feel that what Henry is doing to train the young Vietnamese professional to go to the practical world and perform in the real estate, it's the right time. Based on my experience especially in Vietnam for last 16 years, I have realized that whenever the difficult times comes, the developers are concentrating on the more quality product. They spend more money on the marketing, they spend more money on the professional consultancy. So this is the right time, because when difficult times, selling the real estate, leasing the real estate becomes more difficult. So this is the time when we need more good and trained professional who can do a good real estate job. DTZ is as you are telling, DTZ is one of the top 3 biggest real estate company in the world, not only in Vietnam. And I'm based in Vietnam for nearly 16 years, so we have a very good experience of real estate in Vietnam also. Our cooperation is more on a strategic level. Whenever Mr. Henry wants us, we can help him, because within the company, we have qualified people for investment advisory, we have qualified people for the valuation services, we have qualified people for the market research services. So anytime he need any expertise, consultancy or advice for his students, we can always help him. As I was telling you in my speech, that in any country, the training is very important. Proper professional education is very important for any industry to grow. And I have felt the current level of education for real estate in Vietnam is not sufficient. So what Henry is doing is, we must support him, we must appreciate his effort, that he is taking an initiative in a proper direction. We are, to be very frankly, we are more than welcome the trained staff to be a part of our company, because in Vietnam, finding qualified people, finding good trained people is very difficult. So if anybody is passing from Mr. Henry's school, the Leader Real, we are more than happy to take him within our company. Currently, as I was telling you, currently we are employing lots of foreign trained staff for the key positions. But I know that in future, once the Vietnamese young professionals are trained properly, they will replace these foreign experts. And I'm looking for those days when we can hire more local people for the key positions. We all know that current global economy is not doing well, and that is affecting Vietnam also. And plus, Vietnam has its own challenges: very high inflation, the depreciation of the Vietnamese dong, the control on the credit growth. All these 3 factors mainly are affecting the Vietnamese real estate market. So currently the real estate market in Vietnam is going through a big challenge, not only because of Vietnam issues, also with the global issues. But Vietnam, being a very young country, it's a lots of demand issues here. And we hope that when next year, when the government will loosen its credit policy, the government will control the inflation, the government will stabilize the Vietnamese dong, the market will rebound.